Right, just want to show you today how quick and easy it is to use QuoteWerks and actually to send out a quote within 5 minutes. Obviously the benefits of this are you beat all your competitors and getting that information to some of your prospects and customers, because let's face it, everyone shops around. So if your quote or your invoice document or order document or any sales document can be sitting on that customer or prospect's desk before any of your competitors, you have that advantage over your competitors to win that business. So what I'll do is I'll just log into QuoteWerks. As you can see now, straight to the quotation screen. Obviously just run you through the buttons at the very top along there. Okay, so you obviously have the new button. This allows you to create a new document or any new quotation. You have the open button. This obviously allows and stores all your previous documents, say your orders, your quotes, or your invoices. Then you have the save. The nice benefit about the revision button you see now is within QuoteWerks you can set a revision of the original quote. So obviously this has its benefits of updating a quote. You can see the original and what's actually going to be sent out. The print icon says it all really. This allows you to print all your documents. The products, so if you click into the products and just take it to here, as you can see, that's our product database. You can have many different product databases stored down this left hand side with different folders, as you can see on the screen now. Obviously the benefits of this is you might have products from 10 different suppliers, so each individual supplier can have its own product database. Okay, so that obviously that allows you to keep everything nice and organized, nice and quick. So you can go from supplier, just say for instance A, go to supplier A, pick a product, drop it onto your document. Nice and easy, nice and simple. So if we just close that down. Also another nice feature with QuoteWerks is the bundles icon. This allows you to actually bundle overall packages together. As you can see here, it's the entertainment package we've already got as standard within QuoteWerks just for the purpose of the demonstration. This can be beneficial for people who are actually selling packages. Obviously instead of all the time keep going in and picking each individual product, you can just actually create a bundle and it always sits in the actual bundles icon place on your screen, and then you can drop that straight into your document. Obviously the benefits of this, nice and easy and simple to send out a quotation to your prospect. Okay, what I'll do is I'll actually go into the products database now and I'll just drop into some of the products onto the products items screen, which is this behind. So if we go in there, just randomize it, just chuck anything in there. Okay. As I was saying, the products database can be imported from any CSV file. So if your supplier can give you a list of all their products in an Excel spreadsheet or anything text delimited file, we can import that very easily into the QuoteWerks database. So it's cutting down on all the manual work. That's the whole idea of QuoteWerks. Once it's all up and running, you're actually sending quotes out within minutes. So if we close this down now, so as you can see, this is how I've got this set up for the demonstration. It can change. You can have different columns. You can rename the columns quite simply within QuoteWerks. But as you can see, what we've got on the screen now is all the quantity. So you can actually change the quantity if you click off, and you'll notice that it's updated. So you can actually change the quantity levels there. It gives you the manufacturer part number, description of the products, the cost it would cost me, the price, and the actual overall total cost to your customer. And also at the bottom you'll see the subtotal, tax and shipping if there is any, and then it will give you an overall total of the document. So if we actually go to the sold to shipped to tab, because obviously we need to enter some shipping or invoice sold to details within there, as I say, we actually use ACT. ACT's seamlessly very good with QuoteWerks. So if I just select myself at the moment and we press this button here, it will automatically pull in into the fields you see on the screen our contact information. Okay, so that's it. So nice and simple. Click with 3 buttons, and this can also change. So any contact use that I've selected within Act, it will automatically pull in from that screen. So if you go to the Sale Info tab, you can have on the Sales Info tab, you hit via your terms and conditions, customer purchase order number, you can have your due date. These can all be changed. So you can have any kind of wording you'd like for any of these fields, and they will come through onto your QuoteWerks layouts. So if we go to terms, if you see pay on receipt of invoice and the due date, if we can use today or Monday for instance, so now they are in there. So if we just save this quote now, so QuoteWerks demo, and also you'll see when we save the quote, you have the Act integration option here, so you can create a follow-up call, you can create a to-do, you can create a update the sales opportunity. If we them 3 are selected now, so if we press OK, it will now automatically populate the opportunity for us in Act, so we can pull on Wednesday. Okay, and the probability of the actual quotation being closed, say 20%. Okay, and then we obviously, you can create the call activity, so we need to give them a call on Tuesday. So if we select the date, so it'll be Tuesday if we want to close it on Wednesday hopefully. So we select Tuesday, check email. Okay, duration, we don't know the duration, it's standard comes at 5 minutes. It's scheduled for myself because actually I've been doing the QuoteWerks document, and actually the priority is high because obviously we do need to close this kind of deal. We'll also give it an alarm, so when we log into Act on Tuesday around this time we can set it, give us an alarm 10 minutes before. Okay, and then this is the to-do activity, so we can double check on Tuesday. Quotation, same again, all similar features. Okay, so that's nice and saved now into our database, into our QuoteWerks database. So what we want to do once we've done that, the quote's there ready to send off. So if we go to the print icon, select the quotation layout, and we can preview it, this, which is a nice feature, so you can actually see your document before it goes out to the client. So as you can see, all our relevant details, logo which can be changed, reference, contact which was done the quote, which was from myself, the date the quote was done, we've got all the details going to the customer, and then you have obviously all your product, VAT, totals, grand totals, everything listed below. So that's nice and easy. So if we know that's correct, so if we email that now to our clients, obviously there I've also already set up our signatures, or email signatures. It just makes everything nice and simple. We can send out the quote to our customer very, very quickly. So we just type in and then if we just press the send button, it's actually sending it now through Outlook, which is our default email client. So that's actually sending that document now over to our client. So obviously now you can see the benefits and how easy it is to send them documents to your clients. And that's really what we wanted to show you today, just how quick, simple, easy it is to send them documents to our clients or prospects. If you'd like more information about QuoteWerks and obviously the benefits it can have for your company or organisation, please give us a call on 0845 4752 145 or email support@itporter.co.uk.